What does 524,000 buy in Connerton in Land O'Lakes, Florida? Let's go check out this place. This home has over 2,700 square feet of living space. I love the luxury vinyl plank flooring they installed and all of the custom cabinetry. The back porch is screened in with pet-resistant screening. The stainless steel appliances are all brand new. This home is already wired for surround sound in the ceiling, and there's a custom closet that would make a great recording studio. This bedroom upstairs has a Murphy bed and custom shelving and a custom closet. The washer and dryer is conveniently located upstairs near all the bedrooms and has a second entrance from the primary suite. So that makes it really convenient to do your laundry just coming straight from the primary suite directly into the laundry room. The ensuite bath offers a large soaking tub and a really nice glass shower, as well as this huge closet with more custom cabinetry. This home is located on a secluded lot in Connerton with no rear neighbors. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.